Yeah, man, wagwan. When you depend, yo, one thing with Dr. Love, you know, him not come out and just talk hearsay like some other people, like FOOTA hype, the man, them people just come out with the bag of hearsay still, you know. You see, Dr. Love, him come out and speak in mind. And when he speak in mind, he talk some real thing, no, man, not telling a lie. When you depend, wagwan. Welcome to Sunday and Bones TV, and you don't know FOOTA hype. Everything what go on at the music industry and in Jamaica and thing, you don't know FOOTA hype ever touch them topic there, you see it. So him ever in everything what go on, you see it. So Dr. Love forward and talk some real thing about FOOTA hype, you see it, and DeMarco, and you don't know nothing and the whole works. And he even say, yo, you want LaLewis get rid of RT boss. You don't know if I not to rate RT, you see it. So come forward and I video and hear what I say, yeah, man.
But nothing, you know. When nothing there Jamaica, everybody know about nothing. And I go give him credit. He can't host an event, you know. Nothing can host an event. You understand? And nothing best days are in a music, a Sting. When Sting go down, nothing go down with Sting. And then after nothing go down with Sting, then he run off a foreign and married up and start out himself. There's nothing wrong with that. And then this is all you know. When time people hype up themselves and go and say them a top notch, because when nothing there Jamaica, right? A lot of money that go to nothing and try to make nothing talk to all them, try to get them pan Sting and whatever it is. And nothing growing, all of them, this whole part man them. And when nothing this whole part the man them, and nothing get an opportunity enough to come a foreign, come off a runner from down the car, guess when down there. If not get no hosting show, Sting now go on, not now go on feed, so he have to go somewhere go look food. So he decides, alright, he might come to America, and my day American figure say people in America go big him up and say, boy, you man ain't see nothing, they want to put him on a show. Come to America and realize, say, yo, when do a Jamaican can't do it to America, because the event that we keep in America are total different event from what we keep in Jamaica. You understand? And if nothing did tell Jamaica, and if nothing did tell Jamaica and taking business serious, nothing could have been bigger than that, and nothing could have get a whole per work. But if you get this a whole per people in the business, and the same people when you get this, you end up going to need them. Them not going to do it for you. Same thing with FOOTA hype now. When FOOTA hype there Jamaica and FOOTA hype is the man and all of that. Because remember, FOOTA hype was the man. You understand me? I say FOOTA hype around the place. Because remember back in the days, me used to yell him up, call him, you know, yell him up 1 2 on him phone and I say, Dr. Love what go on and things. Me used to chat back in the days. Not regular. He can't tell nobody say me never used to chat. Me used to yell him up and ask him to play music from back in the days. I mean him the good. But you know what happened now? From FOOTA left Jamaica and come to America. All of what FOOTA work for and went done for the music industry over the years, gone down in Nigerian. Right? He start leaving himself careless, loose, like all over the place. In a this a business, that the business, I mean this a business, that the business there, FOOTA they all, but you know what's up there, FOOTA they all over the place. So FOOTA make the people and grow, finna like him, grow, to make the people and despise him, and grow for the industry reject him. That's why when you know the music and things are going for you as an artist or as a DJ, you have to be careful like people where you piss pan and shit pan. Because the people where you piss pan and shit pan, you're going to need them one day. Now look for FOOTA now, people. Let's keep it real. No FOOTA come like a Ghetto bicycle. Right? Literally come like a Ghetto bicycle. Nobody no rate FOOTA. I mean I say, yo, all of the years you work hard and build a brand. And then like in 1 day, 1 week, you just stay on your brand so because you like the like so much till FOOTA give himself name Viral King. Me don't know what make FOOTA go viral. Because the only viral situation FOOTA ever go viral with, I'm a Ashana. That's the only viral FOOTA ever. FOOTA never have another viral like that. Never have another viral. FOOTA try to get another viral video. Ashana situation make FOOTA even get a viral, becomes viral and people know about FOOTA like that. And then after Ashana something now, instead of take the whole Ashana situation and run with it and make some money and maintain anything, him just turn himself down like I could kill this woman out the road. So through that now everybody just pit on him, walk on him. Then now, him find himself and him he start catch a road. The same man them where used to yell him up when used to catch a road. Him and them same man they catch a road now. It's like FOOTA come down to the level of the same people that when he used to beat and used to cuss out. Carelessness. You understand me I say? And him not understand say yo. Him keep doing the same thing over and over and over. When you look at America people, all of the big events them in America we are keep. And big old FOOTA hype. Big old FOOTA hype don't depend none of the event. Nobody no want book him. Nobody no rate him. You see, let me tell you something. You see when a woman love you, as a DJ, as an artist, once a woman love you, trust me, maintain that thing there. Because anytime the woman them decides that them not love you no more, and you do things, they start rejecting you and them are going a problem. And at that, hold on there. Hold on there. Anyway, once woman love you, right? And you make the woman then go for start hate you and despise you, you're going to have a problem. There's no way out for get back the woman them on your side. And FOOTA make the woman then hate him so much. That's the woman then style him Diego, night go everything. And then push him on a level. And him a look him a try. Him decide say I do viral, be a viral person. Right? And here with the thing where I come down to now. FOOTA I go through depression and mental problem like everybody else. When did I go through it? Because when I go through my depression, social media was the only thing me use to bring me back. And FOOTA I go through it for years and years. But at some point, you have to realize that yo, the depression you go through, you're going to use social media to heal yourself. The people them to heal yourself. But as soon as you heal, you cut away from that and go back in our zone and be better. Them not come out of that. Still maintaining that. Right? Look and Sting for example. FOOTA have an input in everybody, in every music, in every artist business, every producer business, and everything that goes on in the music industry. Right? Him try to put an input in it. But at the end of the day, him don't carry any weight in none of what he's saying. Because FOOTA is not an example where you can say, boy, it is an example for whatever it is and so. Look on DeMarco them now. DeMarco them do them thing. DeMarco make a name and whatever it is. If DeMarco want to demand $4 million for go perform a Sting, him deserving $4 million for go perform because him know where I bring to Sting. Mama said DeMarco they have their name from back in the days and DeMarco they maintain them thing, you know. DeMarco have songs after songs, you know. So if DeMarco demand $4 million, he deserve the $4 million. Because when Kippridge and them you they are splashing a Sting and Ninja Man them might get their money. Sting don't have no good artists where you can say, alright. Them have a big artist where can clash somebody differently. Right now, I tell you the truth, you know. It may sound crazy, you know. You know who me da like to see over Sting a clash? Guess who me da like to see over Sting a clash? LaLewis and RT. Me da like to see LaLewis and RT go over Sting go clash. Me da like to see that. Because if LaLewis and RT go over Sting, me na ask Christ, LaLewis I go bury RT over Sting. LaLewis I go wipe him out. Trust me. LaLewis I go make RT look like nobody over Sting. If them go over there. Just like how them two that they go over there. The good one and the mad one. You understand? Me that life is see LaLewis and RT over Sting on one stage. One stage. Me want to see two of them over there on one stage. You see what I'm saying? Me want to see two of them over there. Bringing that for my fun and enjoyment. Right? When we talk about DJ, and we talk about FOOTA and all that, you give, as I say, I give FOOTA credit for what him was in the music until it turns Ghetto. Richie feeling. At the end of the day.